Are you like me and have a house that is full of maybe finds, antiques, vintage things, and you'd like some creative storage? Well, I'm Larissa at Practical Pieces. I'm all about taking what I either own or find curbside, thrift store, garage sale, wherever, hand-me-downs, and turning it into something useful for my home. I found this box at the thrift store. Kind of turn it so you can see there. I believe it's a sewing cabinet kit, tote, whatever you want to call it. It's got these two doors here that open up. And this is totally a key item that you could use in just about any area of your home. What I'm going to show you today is a way that I'm going to take it to use it to store remote controls or phones, devices, just something in our living space, and make it look even older than it is, which is it's not super old like antique, but definitely vintage. But I just want to give it a little flair, a little typography fun. You know, I love my typography. What else you could do with this is turning into a charging station. I have shown another video how to do that using a bread box. This is certainly a good candidate for that. You could tuck away your devices in here. I'm going to go with the remote control idea because I haven't done one of those yet, and we can all use some place to hide those modern day devices that kind of can clutter up our surfaces and even get lost. So I'm going to do some techniques here, just going to show you a quick video form and then show you the end. Well, that was easy and really fun. Honestly, it just took paint and a little bit of time to create this unique box that I can tuck my remotes in. Or honestly, use it for sewing, really anything, toiletries in the bathroom. Many options for something like this. I'm just hoping to inspire you. I invite you to come over to my blog, prodigalpieces.com, where I have all sorts of other tutorials for you, even here on YouTube. I have many more here, many more yet to come. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll get notifications if you sign up for those to get everything when it comes live. And if you head to my blog, you can sign up for my email newsletter. It's free, comes right to your inbox, no strings attached. Everything comes right to you, so you're updated all the time. I really can't say enough how fun it is to take something that I find and turn it into something for my home. It's budget friendly, easy, and it gets your brain juices flowing, gets you off the couch, making more time for the important things. So next time, put those devices away, spend some quality time with those you love.